In robot design judging, teams have the opportunity to discuss their strategies and demonstrate their robot construction and programming. Here is an overview of the field. Compared to previous years, it has significantly fewer obstacles, allowing for a lot more maneuvering. There are also not that many guidelines on the field, except to divide each individual area. Additionally, the base this year is a quarter circle, from which the robots must be completely inside before starting. Additionally, past judges may remember that any item partially within its target, even by the slightest amount, was counted in the past. This year, items must be completely in the target to be counted. This year, there are 3 elements that are reused in a number of missions: blue long bars, yellow medium bars, and black short bars. The blue and yellow bars can be recycled by putting them in the sorting machine and sorting them into their associated green bin. The black bars must be disposed of either through the sorting machine or in the large black landfill bin. Any black bars left on field at the end of the match incur a penalty unless they were not moved from the startup conditions. This mission is the interactive element between the 2 teams competing across from each other. The robot can load a green bin containing the corresponding colored bars onto one transfer and pick up a green bin with bars from the far end transfer. This mission, teams must first collect the methane loops and deliver them to the power station, the truck, or both. The loops do not have to be completely seated for points. The truck is pushed along the guide and picks up the yellow bin as it passes the sorter. If the truck travels to the end of its guide rail, the yellow bin will be deposited on the mat. Points are earned for the bin being entirely on the truck or entirely on the mat beyond the guide rail. Teams simply have to move one or both of the minifigs to the sorting area. Doing so will allow teams to unclog the sorter chute by hand if needed, or to put mis-sorted bars in their correct bins. The sorter is preloaded with some blue and black bars, but additional yellow bars from other missions can be loaded in as well. The wheel is turned to allow the bars to be separated by size. The car can be either folded up or moved to the east transfer zone, or repaired by putting the windshield and motor element in the proper direction. The 2 plastic bags on the field must be moved to the base. Animals are worth points if they are completely inside their circles. Move the valuables to safety, aka the base, then flip the red lever to demolish the building. Yellow and blue bars can be sorted for more points, but the black bars must be sorted or moved to the landfill, or else penalties will be applied at the end of the match. There are 2 toys on field. One can be released from the power station by pulling the red ring. However, this package has some black bars that will need to be placed in the landfill. Other package is further away but contains no materials that need to be disposed of. However, either box can be used for the flower pot in the composting mission. Push the yellow button on the compost machine to release the brown puck. The puck may be brought back to base for points or put in the toy box in base for additional points. Note the machine takes time to release the puck, so teams may choose to conduct other missions while they wait for the puck to be released. Unlike other regions, we do not use the Robot Design Executive Summary. Our region focuses on the question and answer, as well as demonstration of robot capabilities. Expect to look over the team's programming and have them explain how their code is organized. Even though the rubrics contain a region for not demonstrated scores, we want to give all the teams the opportunity to try and answer every section. After the team has left, rate them on each section from beginning to accomplished. Be sure to provide constructive criticism or compliments for the team. And remember, the rubrics are returned to teams at the end of the tournament. Lastly, circle the team's area of strength, the portion of the rubric where they performed the best. Well, that's it for notes from me. Before the tournament, be sure to go over the official FLL Trash Trek challenge and go over the Robot Design Judging Prep Pack, which has an overview of your day at the competition, sample questions you can use, and a copy of the Robot Design rubric. Thanks so much for volunteering, and we'll see you at the competition.